The following video is a guide on how to use the 40 baler. Firstly, place 2 number strapping rolls on the holder at the back of the baler. Next, thread the strapping down into the baler chamber. Open both doors. Pull each strap down the chamber and place into the channels. Load your material into the bale chamber and close the top door. Press the start button and push the lever valve down to run a cycle. At full stroke, press the start button and push the lever valve up. Repeat the process of loading and compacting material into the baler. When the compaction plate reaches the bale full decal on the top door, it is time to tie and complete the bale. With the compaction head fully up, open the top door. Next, using the tie feed bar, pull the straps from the back of the baler. Then, pull the straps through the bottom door slots. Make sure you have enough strapping to tie the bale and cut the strapping. Only the bottom portion of the cut strapping needs to stay in the slot for tying. Close the top door. Press the start button and press the lever valve down. Tension and knot the top and bottom ends on each of the straps. Press the start button and push the lever valve up. Open both top and bottom doors. Place the forks of the trolley into the chamber to eject the bale.